Yeah, g'day and welcome back to my channel. Now, long-time viewers have probably already worked out that I'm not really a world champion at storage solutions. I mean, I pretty much know where everything is, but yeah, it's not exactly orderly or clean, especially not this stuff. One of our generous viewers reached out to me, Phil, because he had the opposite problem. He has a bit of a storage fetish, so all of his storage was filled up with spare storage material. And he gave me 10 of these Euro boxes, these standardized stackable boxes. I've got the lathe parts in them at the moment. Picking them up, we look like that one episode of 2.5 Men. And while it's cool that they're stackable, of course, whatever you need is always at the bottom, and everything on top of it is always heavy. That's Murphy's Law. Anyway, a bit later, Phil reached out to me again to give me a bunch more of those containers, like another 10, and he also gave me a big stack of this angle iron to make up shelving for it. So thanks a lot, Phil. Really appreciate it. And how's this? He even gave me a bunch of the hardware and feet to put it all together. That's brilliant. Oh, snow day. Oh wait, I gotta go to the supermarket. Yeah, it looks like I need 213. Right, I've got 3 sticks of this which are much longer than I need. So they can be cut down and used as stand-ups at full length. Measure twice, 213. That's all around the wrong way. Thought it felt weird. New tool, never used it before. Now with the offcuts I can extend some of the shorter pieces. Well, how impressive is this? After nearly a month offline, NASA have managed to recover all 4 instruments of the Hubble Space Telescope and get it back up working again. Congratulations, NASA. That's awesome. Right, I've mocked up the first bit here. It's looking good. I now need to cut about 1 million of these spreaders for each of the shelves to sit on. Hey, check this out. From all of that angle iron I started with, that's all that's left over. Pretty darn accurate guess on the part of Phil. Good one. Thanks, mate. Okay, with the basic frame installed, next up is putting in the dividers, the slides. Nicer day out here today, that's for sure. Right, frame's done, trial fit. I've got this issue that the heads of the bolts interfere with these ribs here, but it's nothing that a little carbide can't fix. While I was around picking up this stuff, Phil also has a whole bunch of these blue bins. He kind of sold me on them as being a good solution because they fit nicely. Well, yeah, they pretty much do. Too big, too medium. But if you want to see a really good fit, I mean, look at that. Thanks, Eskimo. Right, time to start loading it. These two are the strongest because they're doubled up. I'm going to put the Schaublin parts, the heaviest parts at the bottom. So first up, it's the tool changer. Right, the next heavy bugger is the cross slide and a bunch of other little bits and pieces. Did I say cross slide? I mean saddle. This one's got the cross slide in it. Well, typical for one of my jobs, that took way longer than expected. Could put double height bins underneath, but I've already got toolboxes, so that'll work. Well, it's only been 15 minutes since I finished this, but I've already forgotten what's in there, so I guess I better do some labeling. So now when I use this room as a paint shop, I should get far less dust in my stuff. So there we have it, another 5-minute job finished. Thanks a lot for watching, and especially a big thanks to Phil for giving me all this stuff, and I'll see you next time.